couldn't let it come in a little closer, you know, for more footage, but these corn stalks kind of screwed us on that.
Looked like he was angling.
I think he's gonna come up to hit this road, yeah.
Yeah, he's trying to get up above here.
Yeah. That was crazy. I just kind of happened to look over and I see there's something through the brush sitting there in the middle of the fields. Like, what the heck?
Yeah, it's really thick for me right there.
Yeah. Male. Nice one. Pretty good size one.
Yeah.
He was gonna go right up on the road there with us. We were sitting over there about center screen.
Ooh, he got in the middle of the field and even went to the call. I wouldn't be able to shoot him.
No, if you'd have kept going down this way here, the way it kind of rolls off, and these corn stalks being here, it would have been tough. It's kind of a blind spot for us. So we knew we had to kill him on the edge here or this fence line. But it worked out.
Yep. Well, the hot ditch didn't disappoint.
Never usually does.
No, we walk up in here. We usually have. It's been pretty good to us over the years. And I think we only had maybe a couple years where we didn't get nothing up here, but we usually either see something or we kill a couple.
Yeah. There's a lot of big ditches and ravines all run down into this one pocket here, and it's a brushy mess around all.
Yeah, they like to come down in here, and there's creek bottom down here with cattle, so they like to get down in there and hunt at night. And they lay up on these hillsides, and this one here was waiting up there, and he didn't want to answer back, but he come into the rabbit.
It wasn't very long. I had just one sequence of the rabbit.
Yeah,
I had seen him sitting up there.
You said you seen him sitting over there. I couldn't see it sitting there, and then all of a sudden it started coming, and then I seen it then.
Yeah.
But yeah, basically as soon as he got into this opening, kind of had to shoot it. I mean, it would have been nicer to get it in a little closer and, you know, get a little more footage. But if it got in this cornfield, I mean, the corn stalks are higher, so I mean, I had to shoot it where I could, get it out over here a little bit.
Definitely.
And our wind was kind of swirling that way a little, so I mean, probably a good thing shot it where I did.
Yeah.
I mean, it's hard enough getting them to come in, and hate to have them get away.
Little footage is better than a coyote running away and not getting a shot at it.
Yeah, yep, that is right. So. Yeah, I mean, we're rolling. We're getting some videos out. We got a few good spots left. I got some pretty high hopes in too.
Yeah.
So I think we definitely should be able to get a couple more videos out.
A couple spots we've called and didn't see no action. I think we can go back in there.
Should be able to go back. You know, usually we wait a couple weeks and then go back in and try it. And we know there's coyotes in there. Just got to time it.
Yeah. They're traveling longer distances now. They could be in this pocket for 2 days and 4 or 5 miles away.
Right. Yeah, a lot of it's in the timing. You got to catch them in that area, and you got to get them to come in. But yeah, that worked out. That was awesome.
Yeah, nice shot.
Yeah, thanks.